Okay, so in this video, I'm going to show you the one Shopify app that made me $87,000 and literally quadrupled my AOV for my clothing brand. I'm going to show you the full setup, the full breakdown on how to set up this app for your own clothing brand. You can see right here, this is a screenshot. This bundler app made us 87.3K. Before we get too deep into the video, I just want to introduce myself, explain who I am and why you should even listen to me. I'm Cyber. I'm the owner of Demic NJ. This is me right here. This is me right here with about 100 boxes of inventory for the brand. This is our Instagram. We're almost about to hit 95K. I've generated well over $1 million with my clothing brand, and in that process, I have also spent over $100,000 on Facebook Meta ads. These are some of our hit products right here. You might have seen them before. This is our triple zip hoodie and sweatpants. We've also dropped these belts and these shorts before last year. And I just want to make it clear before we get too deep into anything, I'm not a guru by any means. I'm literally just a regular guy like you. I never even showed my face behind the brand until 2 or 3 weeks ago. I started this brand out of my mom's garage in 2020 and I built it to what it is now. I've seen 23K days. I've seen 96K months. If you see right here, this was a 23K day. This is just taken from one of my stories. I do see a lot of clothing brand owners thinking this way. They think, yo, if I could just get a viral video, then my drop will actually sell out. But honestly, that's one of the worst ways you could think about running your business. As long as you have a good product and more importantly, good back-end systems, you could do numbers without going viral. The moral of the story here is never rely on the algorithm. You need to build your back-end properly, have the right apps in place, have the right systems in place. This way you could actually get orders in your sleep. Everything that I'm going to talk about in this video is from my own personal experience. I've used this app for years now, and I'm actually going to show you guys towards the end of the video me setting this up for one of my clients. So yeah, let's just get right into it. If you just want to skip to me setting it up so that you could do it for your own brand, this is a timestamp right here. Go ahead and skip to that time in the video. So this is the problem that most stores have right now. They have a high CPA when it comes to meta ads. So they're sending customers or traffic to their website, whether it be through the meta ads or just through organic content. And then if they're lucky, the customer is going to buy one product, right? So this leaves a ton of money on the table. The customer isn't getting hit with an upsell offer or a bundle offer. You're making no extra revenue and pretty much leaving tons of money on the table. Your AOV is going to be low, therefore your profits are going to be low, and the CPA is pretty much going to be eating your entire margin. The math at that point, it doesn't really work out. And so the fix to this isn't getting more traffic or spending more on ads or getting a piece to go viral. The fix to this is just getting more money out of each customer. And the way that you do that is through upsells. So the way that I integrate bundles into my Shopify store is through this bundler app. And basically what this does is it offers a bundle upsell under each product that you set up. This is just an example screenshot from my store, but basically when the customer comes to purchase the sweatpants, if they just scroll down a little bit, they will be presented with this offer that basically offers them $20 off if they complete the set. Most of the orders on my site are this exact bundle, so it does work very well. The key here is to make the bundle offer a good discount and almost make it irresistible for your customer to say no. These are real numbers and real screenshots from my Shopify. This is before I implemented the bundler app. My AOV was sitting around $46, and now this is after I implemented it. My AOV is now sitting at $196, which is literally, I think it's more than quadrupled. And this is that same screenshot, the 87K just from this one bundler app. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to walk you through the process of downloading this bundler app and literally setting everything up so that you could get it integrated into your own Shopify store. I'm going to be setting this up on one of my clients' stores. If you do want to work with me one-on-one, just send me a DM on Instagram saying the word action and we could see if you qualify. So this is what you want to do. Go over to the Shopify app store and search for the app bundler. It should come right up. This is it right here, bundler, the product bundlers app. You just go right here and click install and then press install one more time. For now, we could just select this free plan. So now that you're in here, you just want to press create bundle or create your first bundle right here. And what's going to show up is a bunch of different bundles that they do have. I like to just choose this classic bundle. That's what converts the best for me. The first thing you want to do is select the products that you actually do want to bundle together. So I'm going to go ahead and choose this hoodie as well as the long sleeve if I could find it. Let me just go ahead and search a long sleeve. Okay, here's the long sleeve. Add in those two products and you could see it populates right here. This bundle name, it's going to appear at the checkout. So I'm just going to name it after the products. It's going to be Holy in the Chaos bundle. The title here is what's going to show, like if you see this get a discount, that's what we're adjusting right now. So what I like to do is put the amount that is actually going to be discounted. For this specific case, what we're going to be offering here is a $15 discount. So you could go ahead and type this out. Get $15 off when you complete the set. Bear with me, guys. I'm typing with one hand here. Okay, that looks good. And then for the description, I normally just like to leave this blank. You could scroll down some here and you want to go down to the discount section, and I normally like to do a fixed amount. I said $15, so you could just up this to $15 or whatever the amount is that you want to offer. And it's pretty much just as simple as that, guys. It's nothing super complicated, but it does definitely work and it definitely does convert. You could just go ahead and press save, and you're going to get this pop-up to perform a quick check to see if the bundle is actually working. So what you're going to do is just press this, go to the product page. So once you're on the product page, you just want to see if the bundle is actually showing up, which it is. So the setup is literally as simple as that. Now you just press yes, I could see the bundle widget. This doesn't really look the best on desktop, but on mobile, it converts like crazy. The setup is really simple. You don't need to overcomplicate things. This is all you need. So I just walked you guys through this exact process of setting up the bundler app step by step. Just go implement it now if you haven't already. If you do want to work with me one-on-one, or you're watching this and thinking like, damn, I need to be doing this for my brand, just DM me the word action on Instagram and we could see if you qualify to work with me one-on-one. That's it for this video, guys. I'll catch you in the next one.